Hey everyone, and welcome back to What Is the Channel, where we unravel the mysteries of the world, one fascinating concept at a time. Today, we're diving, and then driving, into something truly special. Something that makes you question if you're watching a vehicle, or just a very confused fish. We're talking about what is an amphibious vehicle. Now, imagine you're cruising down the road, wind in your hair, tunes blasting. You reach a lake, a river, or maybe just a really big puddle after a storm. What do? Most of us stop, scratch our heads, and maybe consider a detour. But if you're in an amphibious vehicle, you just keep going, straight into the water, like it's the most natural thing in the world. At its core, an amphibious vehicle is a marvel of engineering that can travel on both land and water. Think of it as the ultimate multitasker of transportation. It's not just a boat with wheels, or a car that floats, though sometimes it looks hilariously like a boat decided to grow tiny little legs. It's a landlubber on wheels that, with a flip of a switch and a splash, transforms into a waterborne warrior. Or, a very slow, slightly confused boat. The concept itself isn't new. People have been dreaming about this land-and-sea combo for centuries. Leonardo da Vinci himself sketched designs for something similar back in the 15th century, though his version probably didn't have heated seats or a cup holder for your lukewarm coffee. Fast forward to the early 20th century, and inventors were really getting their paddles wet, so to speak. But it was during World War II that amphibious vehicles truly came of age, with iconic machines like the American DUKW, affectionately known as the Duck, ferrying troops and supplies from ships to shore. It literally looked like a truck that decided it also wanted a career as a boat. So, how do these chameleons of locomotion actually pull off this neat trick? Well, it's a clever combination of design choices. On land, they operate much like any other vehicle, with wheels or tracks providing propulsion and steering. But for the water, things get interesting. First, buoyancy is key. The vehicle's body is specially designed and sealed, like a giant, very heavy bathtub, to displace enough water to float. No leaky seams here, unless you're having a really bad day. Then there's propulsion in the water. Most amphibious vehicles employ propellers, much like a regular boat, or sometimes water jets, pushing them through the waves. Steering on water often involves a rudder, or by vectoring the water jets themselves. Completely separate from how the steering wheel works on land. Imagine your steering wheel momentarily becoming a decorative ornament. A slightly unsettling thought, I admit. The transition itself is often the most dramatic part. A slow, deliberate drive down a ramp, a subtle shift in gears, and then splash. Suddenly, you're no longer battling potholes, but ripples. Of course, building a vehicle that's good at two very different things means a lot of compromises. It's like trying to be a world-class sprinter and a champion swimmer at the same time. The features that make it effective on land, like heavy-duty suspension and robust engines, add weight that makes it less efficient in water, and vice versa. So, while they're fantastic at bridging the gap, they're rarely as fast as a dedicated car on the highway, or as nimble as a speedboat on the open water. Think of them as the jack of all trades, master of none, but in the most spectacularly cool way possible. Amphibious vehicles aren't just for military operations anymore, though they still play a crucial role there. You'll find them in civilian life too. Ever been on a quirky city tour that suddenly turned into a river cruise? You were probably in an amphibious tour bus. Some enthusiasts even own personal amphibious vehicles. Imagine driving your car into the lake for a quick fishing trip. No boat launch required. They're also invaluable for rescue operations in flood zones or reaching remote areas where roads simply cease to exist and waterways begin. In essence, an amphibious vehicle is a testament to human ingenuity and our endless desire to overcome boundaries. It's a machine that laughs in the face of either or and screams both. It's the ultimate answer to the question, what if my car just went into the water? So, the next time you spot a vehicle that looks like it's having an identity crisis, half car, half boat, you'll know exactly what it is. It's an amphibious vehicle doing what it does best, defying expectations and making ordinary journeys extraordinary. Did you learn something new today? We hope so. If you enjoyed this deep dive and drive into amphibious vehicles, please hit that like button, subscribe to What Is for more fascinating explanations, and tell us in the comments what's the coolest amphibious vehicle you've ever seen. Or, what is topic should we tackle next? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.